Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a greeting card that I titled, Let Us Come. And I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella, and I'm also using one of my freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. And I'm further using a couple of dies from my stash. So here I'm starting with a card base, and I am burnishing it so that it is folded in the middle. And then I'm starting with this piece of paper that goes all across, basically the whole. It goes on the background of the card base, and so it fills out the card base. And so I'm making sure everything fits and works well. And then I have this is actually printed out. It's from the Silhouette store. It's a label that I just printed out, and then I used one of my label dies to just cut it out that way, and then I mounted on some the same color cardstock for the background. And then here is a strip where I add a paper flag, and then I just eyeball it as I cut into to also make a flag out of this the base there, the card background. And so then I'm ready to glue this down. It's not exactly perfect, but I'm not looking for making it perfect. This is a watercolor style, and so it doesn't have to be perfect really. So then I have to decide where exactly do I want my sentiment to go. And here this is a die cut piece of a pumpkin, and I have watercolored it actually, and then now I just had to glue the stem to it, and then I think this is where I will put the sentiment, and I'm still looking for a place for where to put the pumpkin, but I don't think I will add the basket. I still have this basket there, but I don't think I will add this. This is my card done. I'm going to leave you with a very few close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.